Tim here with Quality Care Carpet Cleaning. I want to discuss with you about pet odor removal when it comes to dog urine or cat urine. One of the things that happens, particularly a dog this size, is they kind of just sporadically go in the carpets. Usually as carpet cleaners, we can just spray over that, clean it, it's fine. However, this little guy right here, he likes to go a lot in one specific area, and so we have a way to resolve that. And so you can see right over here, we have quite a buildup of the amount of urine, and what you see here is just a little bit. There's actually a lot more going on than what you see. It's all the way down the pad, and it's actually spread like a sponge. And so in order to resolve this, what we need to do is we need to completely saturate this area of our product, and it's called an acidic rinse. And it takes an acid to be able to rinse that out because it actually transforms into alkaline, and I'm going to show you that here. Okay, you can see right here, this is my product. I'm pouring it all the way into the pad. I'm pouring it very generously. We want to get all that just completely saturated here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back. I'm going to use a powerful suction device, which you're going to see here, and we're going to extract this all up. Okay, so I just let the product dwell here for about 15 minutes. This is what you want to give it in order for it to really work and be effective and break it up. So this is the first rinse we do, and generally we come behind with another rinse as a microbial treatment. So it makes it not only odorless, but sanitary. And so this right here, like I said, is kind of like removing, well, it's kind of like removing an infection. So that's what we're gonna do, is we're gonna remove all the gunk out of there, then we're gonna give the microbial a chance to work after this. And so we're gonna demonstrate right here how this works as I pull it out. So you can see it's pulling it right up out of the pad. You can also see some yellowing right here, even though this part of it here, let me move it right over here. So you can see a little bit of yellowing right there as well, so it's obviously pulling it out as well as the product. So that's how you effectively take care of a heavy saturated urine area. Okay, so we just had a very great acid rinse just take place. Now I'm going to put down what's called the microbial. What this is going to do is this is actually going to basically take care of anything that's left over in this carpet. This is the type of product that they use when there's a flood, and like if there's a backup of sewage and it goes all over your house and in your carpet. This is what we use to disinfect. So this right here is actually not only going to make it odorless, but it's going to make it sanitary as well. And so it's the same thing. I'm just going to take it, I'm going to pour it, I'm going to put it all into the padding, all into the carpet here. This right here will also help you feel safe with your little ones, your babies, anything that's going to crawl on here. You know that's going to be completely sanitary, taken care of the right way. Alright, so we just finished our pet treatment here. It's been about 3 hours. We also did a clean on it. As you can tell, pretty much all the yellowing is removed. I had to use a peroxide-based product which gets what they call urochrome. Sometimes there's some yellowing left over, which is a stain. And so I was able to apply that. We were able to actually remove it out. Plus with the cleaning and everything that we did, the step-by-step process got it to look this good. And plus, as I get down and smell it, all I smell is a nice fragrance of the product that I used. And obviously there's no urine effects whatsoever. So if you want to give us a try, let us know. We'd love to come out, resolve this issue for you. Have a great day.